No matter how great your tires are, there is always a chance of unexpected failure. Understandably, this is more dangerous for motorcycles as opposed to cars, because even a single puncture can compromise the balance and composure of your bike. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 motorcycle tire plug repair kit on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Boulder Tools. We start incredibly strong with what might be the best motorcycle tire repair kit on the market. It has everything these kits could ever need with 56 pieces in just on the kit. In case you did not find that astounding already, it has, even more, to offer as each piece is heavy duty. It provides a kind of quality assurance rarely found in any other brand. From the slightest touch, you can tell just how durable and reliable this machine is. The brand offers a warranty that can reassure you that it will not fail on you anytime soon. Boulder Tools utilizes strings like no other. These strings are what make and break a repair kit. Using poor quality strings can result in an increased chance of injury as they may come undone. Rather than opting for a standard option, this set goes the extra mile of introducing the best quality in the market. They can patch anything up without showing any sign of wear or tear. They are capable of withstanding any rough treatment and always stay strong. Number 2. Petul. We will now make a return to the traditional type of tire repair kits. It has everything you could need from a proper puncturing tool to an excellent plug inserting tool. Petul utilizes the best materials to make an incredible and compact repair set. Both the inserter and the puncture tool have a T-shaped handle. This gives you a lot more room to place your arms to boost your comfort and pressure. The shape also bolsters your accuracy as you get more control over the tool. With the handle's added pressure, you get to make better results in the actions you take to plug up the hole. The Pro tool primarily benefits from this as you will make better and more accurate punctures for the plugs to enter. Its handles also feel great in your hands. Moving on, we should talk about its highly efficient plugs. They easily enter punctures and sticks perfectly to ensure the best results. Of course, by itself, no plug can slip into holes, and if they did, they would not do an excellent job at plugging. Number 3. Dr.Roc tire spoon. Honestly, the best repair comes from changing your tires entirely. You can plug them up all you want, there will always be some form of risk. However, when it comes to reliability and peace of mind, replacing is the ultimate solution. When it comes to replacers, there is hardly any brand better than the legendary Dr.Roc. They produce the highest tier tools with the most ergonomic shapes to get the most out of your purchases. Once we go further into detail, you will get what we mean. We all know that the worst part of changing the tire tube is getting it off. Sure, putting it on is a hassle, but getting it on is the worst. With a simple wrong move, you could easily leave scratches on the rims. The ideal option is to avoid these scratches with the use of a high-quality rim protector. It prevents the spoons from leaving undesirable marks on your rims and decreases the risk of your extraction. When smooth extraction is a concern, then look to the high-quality spoons. Number 4. Stop and Go 1075. We return to Stop and Go for another one of their most elegant units. Although this unit may lack specific attributes that made the previous 1075 model so great, it certainly adds a lot to the table to make its unique kit. It may not have the tire plugger gun anymore, but it opts out of other features that make this so great. First off, we have mentioned the necessity of air pumping tools for tire repair. These are usually big and clunky, requiring excess storage space. Other alternatives may require power outlets to function. Stop and Go thought ahead and introduced a different and convenient method of air pumping. This unit comes with 4 canisters of CO2 for you to reinflate your tire in case they go flat. This way, you will not need to carry a separate air pump, making the process much more convenient. You will not even have to dismount the tire to use it. It is incredibly small despite how much it packs in its carry bag. The bag itself is of high quality and durable. It carries every tool perfectly, and finding each tool is quite easy. Number 5. V1 Motor CO2 motorcycle. When it comes to compact designs, very few can top the last entry of our motorcycle tire repair kit reviews. It may seem a bit complex in terms of contents and design. However, it is nothing to scoff at. Soon, you will figure out how this has earned its spot on our list. Let us start by talking about air canisters. We have talked about them before, so you should know how they are a convenient alternative to air pumping tools. Attach the canister to the tire and release it to get it reinflated. As such, this tool comes with 5 of these CO2 canisters to keep your tires properly inflated. Furthermore, multiple other additional tools make this so great. Starting, let us talk about its unique pliers. That is because the plier houses a knife within its design as well, like a Swiss Army knife. When storing it, you can fold it to achieve half its length. It essentially removes the need for additional tools, improving its compactness as a result. Like other good kits, it uses the T-handle to make it easier for you to add pressure. The handle adds curves to properly accept each of your fingers and make them sit perfectly onto your palm. Although a bit small, it assists in your accuracy. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.